Guess what, guys? About 3 months ago, I was coming from the marketplace and I saw something very important and like very interesting, and I would like to share with you guys today. And guess what? The story is here. This is like a crayfish with a free maggi inside. So it was so interesting seeing this product. I was like, wow, this person must be a very great marketer for introducing this. Like, just imagine like you are buying a sachet, or let me just sachet now of this one, and you're having a free Maggi inside. That means that when you're using this, you don't need to buy Maggi. Maybe probably just want to cook something that is just for you only. And for me now, I'm a single brother. I'm a single brother like that. I stay alone. So if I wanted to cook anything that is just only for me, maybe probably just for the morning or in the afternoon, so I don't need to buy any Maggi. And that's why they are putting this market inside. It's not just for fun. The person is a very great innovator that understand marketing very well. That it's not our just piling up products, it's not that, but just stacking several bonuses. Like, these are the style of things that you can do. These are the style of things that move people to buy, you grab. When they see your stuff, they will not just automatically move on to buying decision, you grab. Like, this is what people don't understand. When you are having 1K views on WhatsApp status, don't just automatically make yours. When you have 2,000 views, 500 views, even 50 views, that doesn't really guarantee that you make sure. What I guarantee that will make sure is one, your offer, your belief, and your message. Like, your message is very important. Like, what type of message are you putting out there? What type of message are you saying to people? How are you communicating your results and your product and your offer? That's what moves the needle. So anytime you want to make your offer, make it something that is valuable, make it something that is useful, and make it something that is related. This one, like, everybody that wants to cook something, we surely need Maggi. Except if you are having recommendation from the doctor that you should not take Maggi again, or you should not eat Maggi or something like that. So see you share this to someone that needs that. Anytime you want to create your product, you want to create your offer, add something that is useful, relatable,